When I think back on all that swiping now, it makes me want to sigh. If I had a brand new assistant, I wouldn't even have to try. Apps and menus vanish in the haze, while my AI calls the plays. Replace the smartphone with glasses staring back at me. Replace the smartphone with a bracelet bossing who I'll be. I don't need a choice or finger, it just whispers what to say. AI tells me how to live now, and the phone just fades away. Meta dreams of lenses in the frame. Google's got its Gemini game. Short batteries, long promises. 100 logos stake their claim. Still they're selling in Ray-Bans by the pair, talking to the air. Replace the smartphone with a speaker nagging in my home. Replace the smartphone. I've got no silence when I roam. Won't need friends to make decisions when my gadgets pave the way. The machines are doing living, and I'm just along today. There's a pendant that remembers every word, better than the memory you heard. It tells you when you cave to the kids and what you should have said instead. But if privacy's already sold at work, why not let the recorder lurk? Replace the smartphone with a necklace thinking all for me. Replace the smartphone in a symphony of circuitry. I don't need a brain or memory when my agent runs the play. AI knows the world already, and the phone just fades away. So goodbye to the touchscreen glow. Hello to the things that know. Glasses, watches, pendants, charms, AI hanging on our arms. And maybe someday we'll wonder who we gave